seafood. Thank you, Juicy. Thank you. So I'm looking busted right now, but tomorrow I will not be because I'm posting another video, and I'm gonna have my homegirl on here. Her name is La Carla. She owns La Carla candles, which I bought some. I have some. I'm a candle person. So in today's part of the video, we're gonna do a Dollar Tree try. We're gonna try Dollar Tree Cod Fish. Y'all know I did the Dollar Tree tilapia, but I'm gonna put that video in the description box down below so y'all can see. So anyways, I'm gonna show y'all what they look like. So with my special Cajun sauce from what I use for the crab legs, and a little butter and little onions, you know, just put it all together, honey. Put it all together. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I have these cod fillets. I bought 2 from the Dollar Tree. 2 of these, 1, 2. So we're gonna see how they bake. I would have fried them, but you know, I feel like eating fried food today. It's raining today. I already had like baked, you know, crab legs and all that. So we're just gonna bake them. So we're gonna see how they turn out. Okay, you guys. So I have my mix here. Don't spill it though. My onion mix. Let me show you real quick. I have my onion mix here. It looks like that. So that's gonna be the sauce that I'm put on top of my codfish. So I'm gonna do that. I had to improvise a little bit because I didn't bring my tripod to my parents' house. I did not. Sue me, but I didn't do it. So these are what the codfish look like. They come in like these square, you know, little square pieces in the packages. So I'm just gonna open them up, and they're gonna come out like so. I had to defrost them. They're gonna come out like so. So it's a little drippy, as you can see. So I'm gonna put them on my cutting board because we're gonna season them. I had to do all that. That was extra. We're gonna season them. I said, oh no, it didn't come in a package. Good. So, yeah. So do y'all watch 90 Day Fiance? Because that show is coming on tonight, and I live for that show. Ooh. I forgot what else is coming on tonight, but 90 Day Fiance is my thing. So yeah, this is what this look like. So we're gonna clean the counter. That's what we're gonna do right now, because I don't like a dirty counter. I don't like to be dirty. You clean as you go, okay, when you're cooking, all right? So here they are as so. Let me show you what they look like. Here they are as so. This is what they're looking like. So let's get started. We about to do something. We're about to season them up, honey. Move everything out the way so I can get to y'all. So how do I want to do this? Cause ain't no light over here. Ain't no motherfucking light. Let me do it like this, but there's no light over there. No, that's just one in there. Okay, you guys, I had to move positions a little bit. So they look like this. They come like this. So we're gonna season them. So what I'm gonna do, not really too much seasoning. You do not want to do too much, okay? All right, sis. Put a little salt in here. A little solid pepper piece. Boom. And then what you do is, now I'm not no emerald, but you know how it is. I'm not no emerald, but I want to put y'all on to somebody. I really want to put y'all on to somebody. Add my somebody I know who's from Rochester. His name is Joel James. He's a comedian / cook. He does what we do. If y'all do cooking videos, he does what we do, but he does it in a comedian type of way. And he's really good at what he does. So I support all black. Everybody really, but I support people. That's ooh, don't put too much like I did. Y'all see that? Ooh, Jesus. Okay. Let's go with this. We just gonna see. I like mine really seasoned, and I'm not sorry about it. Ain't sorry, okay? So we're gonna dab it on like that, as so. You can only be you, though. You can't be anybody else but yourself when you're doing these videos. And whatever you do, you can only be yourself. So that's all I gotta say. So this is that. That's what they're looking like. And I'm gonna clean up, wash my hands, and I'm gonna come back. All right, y'all. So my mom has a baking pan. I don't want to bother her because she's busy doing something. So here's what I'm gonna do. She has a whole bunch of stuff in her house, but I don't want to. You know how it is. I don't live at home. Y'all know this. But when you're at your parents' house, you don't want to bother them if they're doing something. Y'all see that horse there? My dad's in the hospital, but he will be home soon. Hopefully. So, hopefully God's willing, be home soon. So, yes. So, we're going to get this started. That's why I learned how to cook from my parents. If y'all watch y'all parents and y'all know what the hell they doing, y'all know what the hell y'all doing. So, well, I know this. I didn't, you know, this just didn't come just by just me. You know, it didn't come magically, you know. It don't work like that in the cooking world. You have to learn from somebody. That shit don't come out. It don't work like that, honey. So, you know, unless you just magically know how to cook from when you were born, sis. But if you didn't, you learn from somebody, all right? So I'm gonna put the camera up a little bit higher. And we're gonna get into it so y'all can really see me and see what I'm doing. So, this is the fillet. Right now, y'all see the sauce. We're gonna I like to dibble and dabs it with the knife, you know. Don't be afraid to get a little messy, please, okay? Get a little messy, honey. Put whatever you need to put on top of your fish, whatever sauce that you feel like putting on top of your fish, your fillets. Do it. It's your sauce. Ain't nobody gonna tell you how to make your sauce, okay? So here's what we're doing. We're just gonna drizzle that on top, right on top. You know, let me put a little extra piece, a little extraness on here because I want a little Cajun kick, okay? And I'm about to buy me some Slap Your Mama seasoning sauce because I heard about that. I heard that was good. Okay, this is what us black girls do in the kitchen. We put our hair in a head wrap so our hair don't get in the way. I don't know what y'all other females do, but this is what we do. It's what I do, you know. You make sure you fold it over like so. You see how I'm folding the crease like that, and then you do it like that. And you fold it over like so, like that. Make sure that nothing gets out, no sauces get out. I'm gonna show you what it look like. All right, y'all. Ooh, God said let there be light. Okay, sis. So here's what it look like. I may have put too much sauce on, but that's why I am very extra, okay? Butter right there, and then this is my fillets looking like. Let me go on Snapchat and show them what I'm doing. Yes, this is gonna be good. All right, next YouTube video, Dollar Tree fillets. Dollar Tree tries cod fillets. All right, with a little Cajun seasoning, with a little butter sauce. Yes, so follow me on YouTube, Steph DIY Queen. All right, y'all. So we're gonna come to the oven piece. We're gonna press bake, and then you're gonna put it on. My mom got one of these newer ovens. Y'all see it? 350 for, and if you want to do the timer, it's for 10 minutes. So a little bit. Cook time right here, 10 minutes. Oh snap, I almost forgot how to do the timer piece. Okay, so 10 minutes, not error. Let me try. Set. Y'all, this is what happens when you don't know how to use the stuff. Alright, it's really about to piss me off. Hold on. How do you set it? Good. Y'all, this is what happens when you don't know what you're doing with the Okay, listen. I'm gonna just time my phone. Put a timer on it. I don't know how to use it. So it's going in the oven. Oh, my mom already got something in here, y'all. She just cooked roast beef. We're a family of cooks. If you're from Florida, Jacksonville, Florida, Duval County, you're a family from cooks. If you're from the South and you're in the South, you're from a family of cooks, okay? So hold on, let me show y'all how I'm gonna do this. I don't know how. Hold on. Okay, so I have them in the oven. I'm gonna set my timer, set your timer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, then you take them out. You check them, make sure they're good. If they're not good, you put it back in for like 2 minutes. We won't come back. All right, you guys, so we're gonna try this. So here goes. I'm doing this without my tripod, so don't judge me, okay? All right, so we gotta cut through and see how this looks on the inside. So here's what I'm gonna do. You got to make sure that it's done, sister girl. You got to make sure that it's done. If it's not, then we're gonna try a piece, because I know when fish is done, honey. I know when fish is done. Y'all see that little white piece right there? That little white piece? Alright, so we're gonna try it. We're gonna try it real quick. And I'm gonna turn my camera on and I'm gonna show you how it looks. I don't know if it's done. I'm touching it. I'm gonna try it. Alright, we're gonna come back. Alright, y'all, so I'm really nervous on how this is going. Okay, you guys, we're gonna see how it tastes. So, whew, I don't know if I'm a little nervous because I've never tried, like, I'm used to frying fish, so I don't know. So we're gonna see how this tastes. We're gonna cut into it. I already cut into it, but I need to try it. I don't know, give me diarrhea. Ugh, here. I'm gonna do a little piece. Oof. I feel like I'm a fair out there. Oh. Okay, it's not bad, it's good. And the sauce turns up. I'm telling you. You got to try that Cajun sauce. If y'all go to y'all local, if y'all know how to make it, honey. But y'all go to y'all local seafood restaurant, who is selling crab legs. Get this piece, okay? So, okay. I'm feeling this. I'm feeling this. This is all yummy. Now this right here, y'all gotta try this cod fish from the Dollar Tree. I'm sorry. I don't care if it's a knockoff. It's good. Hella good. Like my cousin Christian said, hella good. Yes. Okay, yeah, that's it. That's my Dollar Tree find. Dollar Tree try. The cod fish, it was really good. Really good, actually. Ooh. I'm about to finish this up with the rest of my crab legs. Honey. It's so good. Y'all gotta try this with this Cajun sauce and the onions. Put a little garlic in there too. The peas. Yes, subscribe, like, comment below. Yes, tell all your mom, your brother, your sister, your cousins about me. All right, sister girls. Bye, y'all. Bye, fam.